So I decided to live without social media for a day because I wanted to see the changes that would happen within my mental health. And I'm also excited to see what other things I have more time for due to clearing up so much, space to do things that I normally wouldn't have had time to do. So I just woke up and there's no notifications for me to respond to. There's nothing for me to, you know, comment or reply or repost or anything like that. And I noticed a benefit of waking up this morning was I had more energy and yeah. I got up and had a productive morning, which I normally don't do. And I went for a walk and I worked on a diamond painting, so that was good. So yeah, I'm gonna live without social media and see, many people feel overwhelmed and burnt out by social media. So I think it's good to do a digital detox. I'm just gonna reduce my screen time and focus on real life experiences. And I hope that this resonates with somebody out there. So we're gonna see how I function with no phone and no social media today. And I hope that this makes you consider your own relationship with social media and maybe take breaks and cut back. So this is going to, be a day in life without TikTok or Instagram or anything like that. Living without social media is like being in a party where you don't have to pretend to know anyone. It's quiet but oddly refreshing. I tried living without social media and now I have so much free time. I've started reading books, like actual books. What a weird concept. No social media, just me, my thoughts, and oh look, a squirrel. Living without social media is like being in a witness protection program, but with no danger, just really good privacy. Without social media, I realized I can't stalk anyone anymore, so I've taken up knitting instead. It's slightly less exciting, but my hands are busy. Going without social media means I've become an expert in the fine art of how to live in 2007. My most exciting thoughts come from the recycling bin, and my most frequent updates are from the weather app. Diamond paintings, where glitter meets therapy and both are equally addictive. Who needs a gym when you have a diamond painting? My wrist is getting a workout. Diamond painting, because sometimes you need to turn a blank canvas into a sparkly masterpiece and forget about your problems for a few hours. It's like coloring but with tiny gems. Who knew putting thousands of tiny diamonds in a row would be so satisfying? I've never felt more like a sparkling artist. Thank you, tiny plastic gems. I'm not hoarding diamonds. I'm just working on a intricate, bedazzled future. Diamond painting. It's like a puzzle but with more glitter and less actual thinking. They say diamonds are forever, and so is the tiny glitter you find everywhere after a diamond painting season. I started exercising, and by that I mean I walked to the fridge, which is practically a marathon. I'm not saying I'm out of shape, but my fitness tracker just asked if I'm okay. I tried yoga once, but I'm pretty sure I pulled a muscle just by trying to sit down on the mat. My favorite exercise is a cross between a lunge and a crunch. I call it lunch. I don't work out because I'm afraid if I get too fit, It'll look like my clothes don't fit me anymore. I have to do a voiceover for this because I don't want to get copyrighted, but I was saying my sister drives like a crazy person, like a maniac, and it's actually very fun. And she also knows the words to like every song, so that's also really cool. So yeah, here's me for like 50 minutes recording her singing the words to every song, but you can't even see her. It's like cutting off her face. What the chuck? She was lip singing a whole song, like an entire song, and it was amazing. But now it's not even letting me see her. That's terrible. Anyways, I was hyping her up, gassing her up. I was fanning her because she was literally on fire. She was like rapping every single word. I was like, dang, Trinity, like, how did you get like so fly and like better than me? Because I used to be the one who used to memorize rap songs, and now it's her because I don't memorize ish now at all, period, point blank. Like, the most I do memorization wise, no, I legitimately haven't memorized a song in years. But yeah. So I just went to the mall and bought a frick ton of stuff. And it was by accident, but not really. So I'm gonna do a haul when I get home. Here's the shorts from American Eagle. I think they're pretty cute. Body positivity, am I right? This is Betty Boop. Obviously I like this. This is what it looks like. I got another one cooking up. This eats. Okay. So, I hope you guys liked it. That concludes my video. I'm going to upload this now, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it.